Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VirtualBox latest version, that is 7.2.2 on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to VirtualBox official website, that is virtualbox.org. Then click on download or download, both are same. See here the latest release is 7.2.2. Then click on Linux distributions. See, if you are on Ubuntu 24.04, you have to select Ubuntu 24. If you are on Ubuntu 22.04, select this one. If you are on Ubuntu 24.10 or 25.04, you have to click on this one. I am on Ubuntu 24.04, so click on it to download. No need to register. See, download started. See here, its size is about 109 megabytes. Wait until download completes, and it is .debian package. Now open terminal, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the VirtualBox Debian package. You have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then virtual, then give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, this is the expected error. We have to install this package, so copy it, sudo apt install. This will ask us to fix the install error. See, we have to run this command. It will install this dependency also. So copy it, sudo, paste it, hit enter, type and hit enter. See, it is installing all dependencies. Now install VirtualBox. See, this time we haven't received any error. We have successfully installed. Now go to all applications. See, here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it to open. See, we got the VirtualBox. If you want to verify the version, go to help and select the about VirtualBox. See, here we have installed VirtualBox 7.2.2. Close it. Okay, ls, this file is not required anymore, rm virtual, then press the tab. Ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install VirtualBox latest version, that is 7.2.2 on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.